What's going on YouTube? Ty with xking.com. Hit you with another video. In today's video, we're going to do an update to my blog. Early last year, 2018, I was blogging. I was posting my YouTube videos to the blog. I wasn't really writing no content until I saw Income School YouTube channel and writing 30 blog posts and let it sit. But so in November of last year, I took the blog very seriously. I have a goal of the blog making $2,500 per month passively, and that's my goal. And I'm gonna keep working to that goal until I reach that goal. But so November, December, I pretty much did a blog post per day. January, February, March, I slowed down some, and I did a blog post every other day, and that's my frequency right now. That's what I'm comfortable with. Doing 3 blog posts per week. And as you see here, in November of last year, I had 1,100 views. December, 1,200 views. I thought I was doing pretty good for myself. In January, it fell down a little bit. Maybe the holidays over. February is a short month. I got almost half what I got here. About 400 less views. March was disappointing as well at 439 views. In April, we have 22 views. If I can see that, I can't see it, but 22 views in April of this month. So the blog is not going according to plan. It do get a little demoralizing because it's months after month you're writing content. You don't see the fruits of your labor just yet. So I'm not sure what happened in March, but we're gonna continue to plug along. Income School says take 35 weeks to see your blog post hit 90% of traffic is going to get, which is 8 months. John Chow said the same thing. He didn't make no money from the blog for the first 8 months, and he was doing 2 blog posts per day. So I always keep that in mind while I'm going through these months. Hey, it's a marathon, not a sprint. You keep on going, you keep on writing content, you keep on, and the universe will reward you for your hard work. So that's my update for blogging. So I did implement Pinterest as well. I do have a YouTube channel, the xking.com YouTube channel. I do a video a day. I do hire rides for my blog. I use iWriter for my blogging content. I've been using them for a long time. I do pretty well. I invest in my blog time, money, writing, and hopefully by maybe in the summer or a year-end blogging, I should see some major results. But if I don't see results, I'm gonna still keep on going. It's challenging. I know blogging is challenging. It's a hard business, but the ones who make the big money, the ones who makes 3-4 grand per month, they didn't quit. They kept on running content when we want to gain no money or no traffic. So that's my goal. I mean the traffic I get now is more that I get on is more that other people get to their blogs and whatever. So I'm appreciative of that. I mean, 688 to my blog is good traffic. I have a lead capture page on my blog, so that's 688 times that somebody saw that, and I didn't make them money that month, but that's free traffic. That I could have got an opt-in to my list. I did get a couple opt-in to my list, but they didn't buy the offer that I was promoting. But still, it's still good. It's still good to see a little result. So yeah, that's it for my video. So update of the 5 months of blogging. So January, November, December, January, February, March. Yeah, 5 months of blogging update. 35 weeks will be here before you know it. I'm gonna keep on pushing. I'm gonna keep on striving. I'm gonna keep on doing this because the people who don't make it, they quit. The people who quit don't make it. The people who make it a full-time living blogging, they blog all the time, and they have to keep pushing forward, and they can keep on going no matter what. And I'm doing the same thing. So my name is Ty from xking.com. Thanks for watching my video. Appreciate it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Check out my blog, xking.com, and I'll see you next time.